Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a super fabulous, super cool album with you all. This is what I'm calling my Picture Perfect 5, Volume 5. All right, this is the Shaker album. So let me show you what this is about. Look, the entire album, and sorry for the glare, side panels, back is Shaker. I am currently Shaker obsessed. All right, if you remember, I said there was going to be an album that goes inside my SnapShots project, which is this lovely camera you see here. And I'm pretty close to the camera because I wanted to show you the album and try to get the glare out. But it goes inside this camera. All right, and that camera is called SnapShots. This is all a part of my EKC 19 kit club. All right, so if you want to pick this up, if you want the camera and the album, just look for EKC 19, and I'll link you down below. If you want just the album alone, this is Picture Perfect Volume 5, and I will also link you down below for that. But look at how fun. I just want to say that you can do this up. I mean, you can jazz this up, guys. All right. I did not. This was my first one, so I didn't want to use a lot of goodies just in case I had to tear it all apart. I didn't want to ruin good stuff. So I went really simple on this, and it still looks dynamite. Again, let's see if I could. Look at how cute. Oh, that's a good shot. There it is. Look at how darling that is. All the shaky in there. And then here's the back. And again, lots and lots of glare, but you guys get the idea. So this functions as an album. Look at my sides. I did gold foiling. Beautiful. So it functions just like an album. I'm not done with the matting, but I'll show you the pages. I just wanted to show you the shaker parts. So I'm going to do some glitter around the perimeter of this album and jazz it up some more because it's screaming for it. But I wanted to share the shaker element with you all, and if you want to pick it up, you can jump on that right now. But let me show you these pages. All of the Picture Perfect albums are absolutely wonderful. The pages are dynamite. You can't go wrong with any of them. Volume 5, however, you get the shaker. I show you how to make the shaker album, and you get these dynamite pages. So let me show you what these are about. So I've got this, what I call an undercut page here. Okay, where you get, again, lots of areas for photos. You can do from 5x7 and down in this album. Okay, so here are some really cute photo mats and a few other things in the pockets. I'm not going to take everything out. I'm just going to go through it very quickly because I will be doing a final review on this. Okay. But there are some pages that are so fabulous, and I really like to bring you new things, guys. I try my best not to repeat myself or copy somebody else's work. I really pride myself on bringing you new things. So I'll wait till I get there. So this flips over. This has a really sweet element for smaller photos. We always have photos that we have to crop whether we like it or not, right? We need to cut out whatever noise is in the background we don't want to see, or maybe we need to cut somebody else out. This is also another pocket here for a photo mat. All right, so this is perfect for that. Here I did an envelope, and of course it opens up for photos and journaling or whatever fun stuff you want to put in there. There's a little notch here so you can pull out the photo mats easily. Okay, so you won't have trouble with that. Also, I like to bring you functionality, not just a million flips and flaps that don't work. All right, so there's the envelope. Everybody who here does not love an envelope? We all love envelopes. So I did a cute envelope page for you. This page is what I'm calling my abstract page. So it's really cute, really fabulous. But when you pull everything out, you're still left with something really fabulous and really cool looking. I'm not going to use the word fabulous again, I promise. Really cool looking. And I love the way it turned out. I hope you all absolutely love it. It's really cool. All right, so the album will will repeat itself once oh no, never mind. I got more for you. This comes up. Again, here would be for a 5x7 photo, or this array of photos that you see here. And then these two photo mats come out, and here you have a shallow pocket. This is an optional pocket. You get two different options here with this area. This is for straight up 4x6 photo mats. If you don't use the pocket, you can do 5x7. If you want to do an acetate pocket, that would go here, and I talked all about that in the videos. This pulls out. This is actually a photo mat. These are not stationary photo mats. All right, so that goes into the pocket there, and that closes up like so. And look at how wonderful this album is. And again, it repeats itself, but this is what I'm mostly proud of. This is so cute, and I hope you all enjoy it. This is interaction, guys, at its best. And the way this works is it's called my slide and lock. All right, so it gets a photo mat in here if you want to. I always like to show the photo elements of this. So you can slide this element down, all right, to lock the page. Your photo mat, of course, comes out. This is part of the slide and lock mechanism here, and this flips up, okay, right there. And this comes down, this comes up. Again, all about the photos, guys, all about the photos. There's only so many ways that you can create a page to display photos. So with these cute interactive elements, it takes the album to the next level. I want to just show you guys that this also pulls out, which is really cute to hold in your hands. You can flip it over, you got a photo. And then you get this space here, which I think it's great for some hidden journaling perhaps, or some kind of hidden photo that you want to put there. And it's really easy to identify that this comes out, because it literally just slides in there with no trouble at all. All right, so you can absolutely see, and I did it upside down. Very cute, Kathy. So I love this. I'm super excited about this, and I hope you all love it as well. And the fact that it has areas for 4x6 photo mats and some other areas here. I don't have the right piece of paper cuts for this, I don't believe, but there's also another space here. You definitely don't want anything hanging out of this album, because you won't be able to put it in the camera, but there's also another space here and in the back to do an insertion point as well. All right, so I love this. I hope you all love it. And again, then the book repeats itself, and I'll show you that in my final review. But the showstopper here, guys, seriously, is the whole Shaker album cover. This is the showstopper here. The Shaker cards have been around forever. Shaker ornaments, all sorts of things have been around forever. I've always loved it. I think it's super cute. However, I am not a card maker. All right, I leave that to the card making experts. There's so many of you out there. But I do love the shaker element, so I wanted to incorporate that into something that I like to do. So I wanted to bring you something a little newer, a little more fresh, and I think I did that for you all. Let me know what you think. I want to know your comments, and I hope you love it. Thank you so much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I will be back with a final review of this album.